Hello everyone. Hola. Ni hao. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the different topics of system equations. So first of all, let's start off with the tools and equipment you need. You will need a calculator in this topic. The reason why is so that you could solve some equations quicker, and it makes your life so much easier if you want to solve some fractions like that. You'll need an eraser, a pencil, a ruler to make graphs, and a highlighter possibly. This is because you don't want to get your your lines of equations mixed up with another one. So let's start. The different topics I'm going to cover today are: what is a system of equation, different ways to solve a system of equation, what a solution to a system of equation is, and finally how to graph an equation. Okay, now let's go start off with what is a system of equation. Ta-da! A system of equation is a collection of two or more equations with same sets of unknowns. What they meant by unknowns are these ones. Sorry. Of like the 5u or the variables, they're unknown. So we want to find them. These equations are called systems of equations. Yes. Now let's go to page 2. Different ways to solve a system of equation. So, okay. There are two ways of solving systems of equations. There are actually 4 matrices. Oh yeah, I forgot what the other one is called, but yeah, we're not going to be talking about matrices or other ones. We're just going to be talking about elimination and substitution. Okay, let's start off with elimination. In elimination, this is your equation. X plus 3y is equals to 3, and minus x plus y is equals to negative 3. So, in here, you want to try and cross out the x, because wait, I could just cross out the, yeah, wait, sorry, yeah, making x plus 3y is sorry, I want to eliminate the y here. So to eliminate the y, I need to get it the same. This 3y, I need to get it the same. Wait, this has to be equivalent with this y. So, and with that, I need to do this. Minus x plus y is equals to negative 3. And bracket, I need to times them all by 3. Making it into minus 3x plus 3y equals to negative 9. Okay, now we have to, let's name it equation 3 first. So now we want to do the elimination method like this. We get equation 1 and 3. And you also want to eliminate the y, because now they're balanced, right? So we want to cross them out and then make it, and then do this. 1 x minus negative 3x is equals to 4. Negative and minus makes positive, which will be 12. So when you simplify it, it becomes 3. Now you got your x variable. Now what you want is to sub it into any 1 or 2 equation, but as you see here, 1 is so much easier to do as there's no negatives in it. So let's just sub it into 1. And this how it should look like. X x is supposed to be 3, yeah, plus 3y equals to 3, and then you write this first, then you do this. 3 plus 3y equals to 3, and then 3y is 3y is alone now because you want to bring this 3 to the other side. So this is to make it to minus 3 off, so you won't have any more number like this on one side, because you need it on the other side to solve it. To solve this one, this has to be alone, the variable. Now y is equals to 0, as you know. Yeah, 0 divided by 3 is obviously 0. Now since you have your y and your x, you want to check it. Always check. That's rule number 1. So x is equals to 3, and 3y is equal, 3, and then there's a 0 here because the y is exchanged to 0, which is equivalent to 3. Okay, now 3 plus 0 is equals to 3, so this is correct. Correct. And then in here you want to do this negative 3 bracket, negative x, and then you want x to be 3. X is 3 plus 0 because y is, in here I'm supposed to write on y. So it should look like y is bracket 2, 0, and the first one equals to negative 3. Now you want to, after subbing them in, you'll get this negative 3 plus 0 is equals to negative 3. Okay, we got our equation there. Now let's go to our third topic. What a solution to a system of equation is. Okay, a solution. There are different types of solution in here. There's one solution, two solution, infinite solution, and no solution. So in a one solution, your equation should look like this. As you know, there's only one intercept line, and this should be 3 over 3. Yeah, that's your solution for this one. Yeah, it should look like that. And then here, this is a two solution one. You want it, it's a bit complicated here because you need to use absolute value to get a v. Yeah, as you can see, there's two solutions here. You might, but to get that the v over there, you need to use an absolute value. Now an infinite solution. An infinite solution, they call it an infinite solution is because the solution is uncountable anymore, because basically this is a solution. Yeah, that's a solution, that's a solution, everywhere is a solution, because they're both on the same line. Unlike this one where they intercept only once, or twice with that one. No solution meaning both of the equations are not there. So this is no solution. Yeah, as you know, none of the lines intercept. Yeah, no intercept, no lines intercept there. Now on our last one is how to graph an equation. Okay, this might be a little bit tricky, but okay, let's do it. Sorry, this is the one. Okay, how to graph an equation. So you always you want the equation to always be in point slope form. If it's not, you should try and make it into point slope form. So slope form, is this. This is your equation. Y equals to negative equals to 2x plus 3. And you want to do this graph, this chart over here, so it will help you plot the stuff on the graph here. And this is the B here is the intercept line, and this is m is the slope. So sometimes this can occur. Range occurs, meaning that the x can't go when you want to do the chart, you can't go above this line, dig 2 and 2. So since they give you that thing to make life easier, all you do is just that -2 and 2 for that thing. So -2 times 2 is equals to -4. -4 plus 3 is equivalent to 1. -4 plus 3, yeah, 1. Now you want to do this. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Wait, sorry, we only have 6 in there. You can do this, but I'll just do it with a 1. With the 1, yeah. Because if I do 2, my graph only reaches up to 6. Sorry. So 2 times 1 equals to 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Now you want to plot it. Since you have x is -2 and the x is here, y-axis is up here. So -2 up there is -2, and my chart says y is 1. So I'm gonna go -2 and then 1. And then for this one, I need it to be 1 and 5. So my thing is 1, and then I'll go up to 5. Yeah, that's my y and that's my x. Now I wanna make a line over there. Sorry, I'm using one hand, so it's not as accurate, but this is what your line should look like. And yeah, but when you want to write your equation, you shouldn't write it in point slope form, so you should actually change it back into the normal form it was. etc wait, I didn't, minus 2x plus y equals to 3. Yeah, you want to write in that form back, because when you write it in point slope form, it might be different from the equation given. Now, because we know how to graph an equation, we want to know how to check it too. So let's have this equation. I got 4x minus 6y equals to 12. So when I have that, I want to change it to point slope form. Okay, this is point slope form for that equation, and this is my second equation. 2x plus 2y equals to 6. Y equals to -3 plus x. This is my point slope form for that one. Okay, so rule number 1 for this is for graphing is always to keep it in point slope form. Number 2, always simplify it. Like maybe before there were some workings there or something. Yeah, blah blah blah. Workings there. And yeah, I simplified it by like, for example, if there's a 2 here or something, I want to divide all these things by 2, like below them. Yeah, put a 2 there and divide all of them, all like this by 2. If I have a 2y there, yeah, that's simplifying. Now, since I have that, I'll draw my equations. As I taught you before, I have my graph, but my chart, but no, on this one, I'll just give you the line for this one. So always write it in this form, and this is the one for 2x plus 12y equals to 6. I use a highlighter here so you can tell which one it is. And now my solution for this one is where it intercepts. So it's 3 and 0, making it x equals to 3 and y equals to 0. So I want to check it now. Y equals to negative x plus 3. Wait, sorry, yeah, this one comes. 4x plus minus 6y equals to 12, and 4 bracket 3 minus 6 0 equals to 12. So 12 minus 0 equals to 12. So this is the same. This is equivalent, so it's the same. Now you want to check the second equation whether it's right or not. 2x plus 2y equals to 6. 2. So this is the x, as you know. So I change it to 3 plus 2 and 0 because y is 0 equals to 6. 6 plus 0 equals to 6. and 6 plus equals to 6. Yeah, so it's correct. So thank you for listening to this. I hope you really enjoyed it, and my group consists of Max, me, yeah, Ridhwan, and Andy. Thank you for listening.